Hello, welcome to Clifford Design House CAD Shop tutorials. If you're here because you've purchased one of our items, thank you so much. It means a lot to us that you're supporting our company. So this video is a demonstration on how to use our drawing template for SketchUp layout. So on the screen, I'm just taking you through the process of purchasing it on our website. So once you've hit the checkout, you put in your details, make sure you've got your email address on there, and then what will happen is once you press continue, you will get a link straight away, but if you're not ready to download it, you will get an email with it on. You get 30 days to download it from there. So make sure you do it within that time frame. So here's what it looks like when you open it up, ready for you to edit the title block. So down the side here, if you click File, Document Setup, you will see all the information that's auto-generated in the title block for you. So what you need to do is go down, so client, write your client's name in. So anyone that's got a dashed line, you can fill out with your information. Apart from, there is two on there that are linked to something else. So page number is linked to the pages, so don't change that one. And there is also the one where it says date created, so leave that one and it will automatically, as long as your computer is set up to the correct date, it will automatically generate that one. So if you pop in all your information in there, what will happen is it will update the title block and it will be consistently in the same place for all of your projects. So as long as you edit it correctly in the drop down menu on the side there and the document settings, it will always be the same. So what we're doing next is putting your logo in. So if you go down and delete where it says add logo here, and then go to File, Import, and find your JPEG of your logo. And what you want to do so it's not distorted is hold Shift when you scale your image, and that way it will stay to the right size and it won't distort the image. So you can play around with the position there, so you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move it into place. It will have a white background, so just make sure it's sitting within the lines so it looks nice and neat. So the next thing to do is change the page title. So in the drop down default tray on the side in pages, it should come up in exactly the same place as this file is here. So if you double click the area where it says, where it's blue highlighted on the side there, so I've just created another page. If you double click that area, you can rename it and it will link up to the title block. So whatever you name that page, it will appear on there. And then what you want to do is make sure your logo that you added in is on the layer title block, and that way it will always be on the title block side for you. You can lock it once you've done, if you're worried about accidentally moving anything, but before you do that, if you want to change the line colour, weight, things like that, select them all by highlighting exactly the same way you do in SketchUp model. If you want to highlight things, go to shape style, select stroke, and I'm just picking up colours out my logo so it goes with my branding, and you can do the same thing in the text style as well for each of them. So I've just picked out the orange in my logo there to change the colour of that font. So you can go in there and use the picker tool to change all those settings as well. So once you're happy with it and you're done, go to File, Save as Template, and name it whatever you want it to. I've got Clifford Design House template on there, and you can only do this once, you can't update it once you've done one, so you will just have to make a new one. So when you're ready for your project, go to File, New, and it will appear in your templates. I have a lot here so go, and then it should be in there like that, and it will appear, and then it's ready for you to drop into your project. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.